Today I'm gonna show you how to make creamy avocado dessert. It's so delicious and so simple. Just 3 ingredients. Word is that it's a traditional avocado dessert in Thailand. Nevertheless, you've got to give this a try. Okay, so this is all we need. I'm using one 14-ounce can of condensed milk, Nestle Lechera, one avocado, and a tray of ice cubes. Best if you have a blender as well. So we're going to start with the avocado and cut in half. We're going to remove the pit. And start dicing the avocado into lines horizontally and vertically to make dices. Okay, you can grab a bowl and we'll just squeeze out the avocado slices. Okay, and we'll do the same with the other half of the avocado. Now we're going to take the condensed milk and we're going to open the can up. Before we add in the condensed milk, we want to make the ice first. So we'll grab the ice cube tray and place all the ice cubes in the blender. We want to get the ice cubes to a more crushed texture. Just on a low blend shall do. And your ice should now look like this, crushed into pebbles. Okay, I'm gonna scoop out all the ice into the avocado bowl. Okay, and now we're ready to pour in the condensed milk. Okay, grab a spoon and we can start mixing this up. And there you have it, the creamy avocado dessert. And it is very creamy. The avocado and the condensed milk go very well together. The ingredients used made almost 2 full bowls. This can easily serve at least 3 people. Creamy and milky. It just melts in your mouth. The ice makes it real chill. It's so sweet. This is really good, guys. You gotta try this out. I think anyone would like this. If you love avocado, you definitely have to try this. You just need an avocado, condensed milk, and if you can get the ice crushed like I did in a blender, that's perfect. Give it a try, and I'm sure you'll love it.